Hey everyone, welcome back to Power Train On Demand. It's your trainer Kirsten here bringing you a legs and core workout today. So what we're gonna need, we need a set of dumbbells or one heavier dumbbell and then a small resistance band for our workout today. So we're gonna start it off. We're gonna go through a little bit of a warm up and then we're gonna hit it right into our circuit today. So everything's gonna be more for reps, so we don't have to worry about time or anything. So just try to follow along with me, stay at my pace, or if we have to, go at your own, that's all good there too. All right, let's do it. So we're gonna warm it up. Jumping jacks, line hops, mountain climbers. Just 2 sets through that, just to get the heart rate up, blood flowing, activate the core and our legs just a little bit. All right, here we go. Let's start those watches. If we need to stretch anything else out, go ahead and do that now. If not, we're gonna hop right on into it. Let's do it. Let's just start it off. Good old jumping jacks right here. If we have to modify, just one leg at a time. Let's do it. We're gonna do a few reps, then we're gonna hit it line hops, forward and backwards. 3, 2, 1, let's do our line hops. So here we go, forward, backwards. Light on those feet. I wanna stay on the ball of that foot the whole time. Good. Keep going, we're gonna hit a couple more reps and we're dropping down for mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1, let's drop down. Here we go. We're gonna get that good form, back stays flat. Let's rep out these mountain climbers. Ready, set, and go. Here we go, drive the knee into our chest. We can tap that front toe every time. Good, guys, you got it. Keep working. Couple more reps, and rest. Woo, all right, we're back up. Let's hit that one more time, guys. Here we go, jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1, go ahead. Right here, we're light on those feet. Let's rep these out, guys. We wanna get that blood flowing today. Get ready for a great workout. 3, 2, 1, line hops, go. We can change it up, go side to side if we want. Here we go. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and we're down. Here we go, mountain climbers. Ready, set, and go. Let's go, rep them out. Good, 3, 2, 1, time, guys. All right, now that we had a little bit of a warm up and I'm out of breath, we're gonna start it up today with our legs. So what I'm gonna need you guys to do, have a set of dumbbells ready for this first one. So it's gonna be 15 reps, 3 rounds. So we're gonna start with reverse lunges. We have to do 15 on each leg right here, okay? We can do weight, no weight, up to you guys. Next one, we're gonna do paused squat jumps. So if we wanna hold a dumbbell on our chest, we can. So we're gonna be here, 1, 2, jump, 2, 2, jump. So we got 15 of those. Last one we got, we're going RDL to a squat. So I'm here, my feet are about hip width apart. Bend my knees a little bit. I wanna push my butt back, so I'm just hinging forward at my hips. So my back's flat, my shoulders are back the whole time. RDL, squat. That's 1. So we got 15 of each of those. We got 3 rounds of that, all right? Let's do this, guys. We're gonna start with those reverse lunges. So we can either hold the dumbbells here or by our sides or do all body weight. All right, so we got 15 reps. We're doing this fast as we can. We're doing 15 on each leg, 3 rounds, guys. We got this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So 1, 1, here we go till we hit 15. I wanna focus on getting that back knee low, but I'm still thinking about keeping my knee straight in line with that front toe. Good, let's go. We should be repping these out. Here we go, guys, you got this. We know our exercises, so if we need to go faster or slower, by all means do so. If not, you're trying to stay with me, guys. 10, 10, let's go. Last 5 each leg. Good, let's go. My chest stays up. 4, 4, 5, 5. Great job. All right, here we go. We got our paused goblet squat. So if we need to, hold that one dumbbell on our chest. We're gonna hold at the bottom, jump it up. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 15 reps. 1, 1, up. 2, 2, up. 3, 3, if we have to, up on the toes. 5, 5, here we go. Knees out. Woo! 7, 7, 8, 8. Good, we're soft landings. 10, 10, last 5. Woo! Here we go. Good, 5, 5. Holy cow, my legs are already burning. Good, shake it out a second. All right, now we got our 15 reps, RDL to our squat. All right, here we go, guys. Going in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Shoulders are back. Pushing my butt back as far as I can. Squat. Set back on the heels in that RDL. Flat feet for the squat. Good, here we go. That's 4. We got 15 of these. Making sure my core is engaged the whole time. Good, guys, keep that going. We got 15 of those. Once we hit 15, we rest for a minute, and then we do it all again. Good job, let's keep finishing out. 15, my feet are close together, hips back. Down, hit our squat. Good job, guys. Sitting back on my heels, keeping my knees just a little bit bent. So I'm here, butt back, butt back, butt back, and then I'm up. Good job. Once we hit 15, rest. We're going back to the top. We got 3 rounds of that, then we're moving on to our next one. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Now that we had a little bit of a rest, we're right back into it, all right? Back to the top. 15 reverse lunges on each leg. I know you're probably swearing at me through that camera. All right, here we go. 15 of them. 1, 1, good. Back knee low. If we're struggling with balance, I don't care about that weight. Drop that weight. We can hold on to a chair, hold the wall. We're just here, back and forth, till we hit 15 on each leg, guys. Good. Keep that going till we finish it out. Good, I want my chest up, shoulders stay back here, and all that weight's on our front leg, and then we drive through that back foot. Good. Once we hit 15, we're moving on to those paused goblet squat jumps. All right, guys, grab that weight if we want it. If not, I know it's hard enough without it. Here we go. Let's challenge ourselves, though. Add that weight this time if we can. Here we go. 1, 2, up. 2, 2, up. Good. Come on. We're either on the toes or we're hitting that jump. 5, 5. Let's go right back into it. 7, 7. Woo! 9, 9, up. Good, last 5. Hold that weight, guys, come on. Good, let's go. 3, 3. Last 2. Up, 5, 5. There we go, guys. Awesome job. All right, we got our RDL to our squat. After this, we got one more round through. All right, here we go, guys. RDL to squat. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Hips back, drop low. Good, let's get it, let's get it. We should feel that in our hamstrings and our glutes as we send our butt back. Feel that long stretch. Knees are out in my squat. Good job. Here we go, guys, keep working. Good, down and up, down and up. Great job, great job. There we go, guys. Once we hit 15, we rest it up, and then we're going through one more time. We got it. There we go, there we go. Finish it out. 30-second rest. Grab a quick drink. We're going right back to the top. Alrighty, guys, one more round to go. I know we are pushing ourselves today, so let's keep working hard to finish this out, okay? I'm gonna let you guys go at this one. This is your last round. We got 15 reps. We know what we should look like throughout this, so let's hit it hard. We're gonna start up our next circuit.
Just need your love, love, love. I just need your love. I just need your love, love. I just need your love. I just need your love,
All right, so next up, we're gonna hit that core hard here. So we got 15 jumping jack burpees. We're gonna do 15 weighted single leg crunches and then 15 pause bicycle kicks. So for our burpees, we're gonna hit one jumping jack, drop down, engage that core, keep it tight, in, back up. So one jumping jack into our burpee is 1 rep. Okay, next one, we got our weighted single leg crunch. So I'm gonna hold 2 dumbbells. You can hold 1, up to you. I'm just gonna make my weight a little bit harder here. So we're here, we're gonna crunch up to that foot, back down. So we got 15 total. If weight is even too much, let's drop that weight. We can do them body weight as well. Last one we're gonna do, if we have that small little resistance band, we can put that around our toes. If not, it's not a big deal. Pause bicycle crunches, 1, 2, 1, 2, till we hit 15 on each side, all right? So we got 3 rounds of this. I'm gonna hit this hard with you for this first round so we can see how we should look throughout it, and then you guys are gonna continue that going for 2 more rounds, all right? So let's start it up. We got 15 jumping jack to our 1 burpee. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So 1 jumping jack, drop down, 1 burpee, that's 1. Here we go, we got 15 of these. If we have to modify them here, I drop my hands down, legs out, legs in. We wanna engage that core as we go in and out. Here we go. Come on, we got 15 of these. We should be repping these out, guys.
When I saw you over
There we go, there we go. Come on. Good, light on our feet. Come on, guys, you got this. Woo!
If you keep this up, then I'll let you in.
Good, this is 10. Here we go. We got 5 more. Come on.
Like no one else, yeah, you
Good, let's go, let's go.
almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you
Good, 3. Come on, 2 more.
the ties under your spell.
4. And last one, get it. 5. Woo! All right, here we go. We're dropping down. We got our weighted single leg crunch. Woo! All right, guys. You got this. I need you to work hard for me. This is round 1. We got 2 more to go. Here we go. Ready, set, and go. 15 reps total. Good, here we go. I'm engaging that core. I lengthen my body. Squeeze right back in. My opposite foot stays flat, so I'm gonna crunch in, driving my knee into my chest, all the way back down. So we can use that weight, or we don't have to. Here we go, either way, we're pushing. Come on, guys. There we go, we got it, guys, come on. Woo! Last 5. You got it, big squeeze, 1 more. 5, great job. All right, we stay down here. Throw that band on. For this one, we got 15 on each leg. That one, we only got 15 total, all right? Let's do this. Woo, catch our breath. And we're down, drive that knee in, opposite elbow to our knee, hold 1, 2, switch. Good, 2, 2, 3, 3. Really rotate that body, drive that elbow into our knee. Good, here we go. If that band is too much, just take that thing off and keep it going. Fully extend that opposite leg. 8, 8. Good, come on. Good. That slow and controlled pause is definitely gonna make that core burn. Keep going, keep going. Last 3 each side. Good, 2, 2, 2, 2. Last one, last one. Woo, guys. My abs are burning. Great job, that is round 1. We're gonna take that rest and then go right back into it. So we got our 15 jumping jack burpees, 15 single leg weighted crunch, and then 15 on each leg for those pause bicycles. Guys, good job. Keep that going, and then we're gonna finish it out with a cool down for the day.
Cue that. Cue that.
Alrighty guys, now that we just finished those 3 rounds off, give yourself a little pat on the back. Good job today. I know we killed that. I know we pushed ourselves and worked hard. I know my core and my legs are 100% gonna be feeling it tomorrow. So we're gonna cool it down here, a little bit stretches to open up our abdominal muscles and then to lengthen out our legs as well. So I want us to stand a little bit wider here, and then I'm taking that opposite arm across my body. We're gonna hold that out, really opening up our core. come back to the middle. We're gonna go straight down to our legs. Hold that out, keeping my legs straight out. We should absolutely feel that through our hamstrings, even our lower back just a little bit. Coming back to the top slowly. Then we're gonna reach out for that opposite side. Lengthen up, open up our chest, open up our core muscles. We're gonna come back to the middle. Give me some twists right here. Keeping those elbows bent, just turning side to side for me. Next one, we're gonna do a figure 4. So I'm bringing my one leg, I'm gonna rest my ankle right on top of my other knee, and then I'm just gonna push down slightly on that top leg. If we have to, we can hold on to something, doesn't matter. All right, and then we're gonna switch sides here. Woo. Good, same thing, just hold that out. My ankle's right on top of that opposite knee. Beautiful. All right, last one we got. We're going knee hug here, lunge. Open up that hip, and then I just step back. So same thing on that other side, bring my knee up, and then just step out, push those hips forward just a little bit. We can do that a few reps on each leg, and then we can go side to side here, just to work on opening up those hips. Guys, great job today. I hope we were feeling it a little bit sore already, because I know I am, but you guys did an awesome job today. Thank you so much for coming to this class, and I'll see you next time.
Awesome job today, guys. Make sure that you check out powertrainsports.com to find your local powertrain facility.